I'm going to walk you through making a recording with your iPad today and uploading that recording to YouTube. The way I'm making this recording today is I'm using an app called Explain Everything, which would be a great app to use, especially like in science or social studies if you're going through a series of slides and you want to explain something on each slide to the student. You can do it. This will record your voice, and at the same time you can write on the screen, you can point out certain things, and it's recording your voice at the same time. So we're going to make a recording with our iPad and we're going to upload it to you. The first thing you do when you see your iPad screen, you're going to open up your camera app. Here is the camera app right here. You're just going to click on that. When your camera app opens, you can either take a still shot picture or you can make a recording. The way you choose what you're going to do is you come down here and you're going to make sure that the little bar is underneath the video camera because we're going to make a recording. You have your book ready or whatever you're going to record, and then when you're ready to record, you push this red button, make your recording, and then when you're ready for your recording to stop, you push the red button again. That will stop the recording. Okay. Now, your recording will come back up, but if you walk away, like if you just have time to do the recording and you don't have time to upload it to YouTube, then that's fine. It'll just go into your photos folder. But now I'm ready to upload it to YouTube, so I'm going to find my video and I'm going to use this video right here. And so then you click on it and your video will come up so that you can play it. One good way to distinguish whether or not something is a video recording or a photo is that the video recording will have a play button in the center. And so I'm not going to play it now, but I'm ready to upload this video to YouTube. So I'm going to select the button here at the top, this one with the box with the arrow coming out of it. And then this little drop down menu comes down and I can send it to YouTube. That's what I want to choose. So you click on that. All right. Once you've chosen that you're going to put it on YouTube, this little screen will come up and you'll just start filling in the blanks. You'll fill in a title. I usually just put the title of the book. Then you'll fill in a brief description. On what I've recorded, the stories for the QR codes, I just put QR code story for listening library. And then you'll just leave it with standard definition. HD would take a lot longer to upload, and for our purposes, you don't really need that. One common mistake people usually make is that they forget to put in a tag, and then you'll get a little error message. Tags are just ways that people look things up on YouTube. We don't really need to identify ours with tags necessarily, so I just put in the word story, something simple. And then the next thing you'll pick category. When you click category, then this little drop-down menu comes up, and for my purposes, I've just chosen the category education. Okay. Once you've chosen a category, then you can choose whether or not to leave your video as public, unlisted, or private. Since mine don't include kids or students in any way, it's just a recording of my voice, then I've just chosen public. You could choose unlisted, which would just mean for someone to access it, you have to give them the actual link, or you could put it as private, and then you have to specify a certain list of people that can even access it at all. For this purpose, I've just left it as public. Once you've done that, then you're just going to choose publish. And this screen will come up next. I'm going to move my slide up just a little bit so you can see that it says that it's publishing to YouTube. At this point, a pop-up window might come up that asks you to log into YouTube. Once you log into YouTube, unless you log out, then you shouldn't have to log in again. But if it pops up, then you just enter your username and password for YouTube, and then it will continue publishing your video to YouTube. And then once it's published to YouTube, then you have access to it. You can copy the address and send it to people. And this time I'm going to show you how to make a QR code to access, so that the students can access your video on YouTube without actually having to go to YouTube. Now, so I can make sure that my video actually made it into YouTube, then you can just open up your YouTube button on your iPad, And you can see here, this is the recording that I just uploaded, Hot Rod Hamster. And it's there along with the other QR code stories that I've recorded so far. And that's how you upload straight from your iPad straight to YouTube.